We have just completed 40 megawatt hyperscale data center projects. The discussion at the beginning was based on the total cost of ownership of the system. We found the best compromise in terms of capital expenses, also the operational costs. The most advanced technologies that are available on the markets without compromising the reliability and the quality of the systems.
We are installing equipment in harsh environments or in desert zones or in industrialized areas.
Customers need a reliable product. They need a product that Mitsubishi Electric have had experience with data center projects. Everyone knows Mitsubishi Electric, and what that name means is quality.
In the data center industry is emerging a trend that involves the reuse of the heat and the ability to adapt this heat to other scopes.
We can use a heat pump expertise to look at how we can transfer the heat from the data suite to make it usable and then be sustainable for the client, because the client then can utilise that for district heat networks. So as an industry, we need to make sure we're making them greener, more sustainable.